Hey friend, have you heard of this productivity tool called Notion? It's been taking the productivity world by storm, and it's not hard to see why. It's like a Swiss Army knife for all your productivity needs. You can use it for taking notes, writing articles, creating to-do lists, project management, and so much more. The universal workspace can help you stay organized and on top of everything. One thing that sets Notion apart from other productivity tools is its modular design. You can freely arrange and customize your workspace's layout, making it your own. And to make things even easier, Notion has a library of templates you can use as a starting point for your project. There's a template for everything, from writing articles to planning a product launch to scheduling an event. And if you can't find a template that works for you, you can always create your own from scratch. One of the best things about the service is that you can create different workspaces for different projects. This means that you can keep all your information organized and separated, making it easy to focus on one thing at a time. And if you're working with a team, you can invite others to collaborate in real time on a workspace. That way, you can all stay on the same page and get things done together. Another cool feature of Notion is its automatic save feature. Every time you change a page or block, the service saves it. If you ever need to go back and view the history of a page, you can. And if you accidentally delete something or want to experiment with different versions, you can restore a previous version with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about the Notion AI feature. It's like having a personal writing assistant. You can use the power of GPT-3 to help you write faster and better. Whether you're writing a blog post, a meeting agenda, a social media post, a press release, or even a poem, Notion AI has your back. It can also help you summarize longer pieces of content, correct spelling and grammar, and even translate text into different languages, including English, Spanish, Chinese, and French. And while the Notion AI feature is in alpha, you can sign up for the waiting list to get access. The service also integrates with other popular productivity tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Jira, so you can easily add information from those tools to your Notion workspace. For example, you can add files from Google Drive to Notion or send messages from Slack directly to a Notion page. And the best part is that the service is available in both mobile and desktop so that you can access your workspace from anywhere. The mobile app is available for iOS and Android, and the desktop app is available for Mac and Windows. Finally, Notion has an API that allows developers to create their integrations and apps on top of Notion. This opens up a world of possibilities and gives developers a lot of flexibility in how they use Notion. All in all, Notion is a fantastic productivity tool that has something for everyone. Its modular design, library of templates, real-time collaboration, automatic save feature, Notion AI, integrations with other devices, and availability on mobile desktop make it a must-have tool for anyone looking to be more productive and organized. Have you heard of Merlin? It's a game changer for anyone who uses the internet daily. With Service, you have the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology at your fingertips, right in your browser. No more endless scrolling or wading through irrelevant information. Merlin can analyze text and generate summaries, action them, and video scripts. You can provide it with the full text of your content and ask it to create a resume based on that text. It will then analyze the text and offer a concise and comprehensive overview that includes all the content's main points and key details. Service can also help you write complex Excel formulas and codes with ease. Simply provide a prompt describing the function or operation you want, and Merlin will suggest a formula or code to get the job done. And what about those emails that seem to pile up every day? Service can help you with professional responses in no time. Provided with the context of the email, the desired tone, and the content of your answer, and watch as Merlin generates text that matches your style and scope perfectly. Merlin is also great for summarizing long-form content like documents, articles, books, or research papers. Just give it the title of your content or copy it and ask it to generate a summary, and voila, you'll have a shorter version of the content that still captures the essence of the paper. Service can even be an excellent tool for coding problems. Provide it with a brief description of your situation, and it will analyze your query and automatically write the code for you. And if you have a child curious about the world, Ask Merlin any question they ask and watch as it explains the answer in simple, easy to understand language. Jamison, Lerner, and Michael are just two of the many people who have raved about the benefits of using Merlin. Jamison thinks the only addition that could improve the experience is the introduction of a voice mode, where you can dictate your queries and hear the answers read back to you. And Michael has been using the Merlin add-on for Chrome and can't say enough about how it's made web browsing so much easier with its built-in ad blocker, fast and safe search engine, and user-friendly interface. If you still need to start using Merlin, it's high time you tried it. Hey there, have you heard about Codazy? It's a game changer in the world of software development. With the demand for technical talent rising, every company is looking for the best and brightest developers. And that's where Codazy comes in. This AI-based code editing application not only improves your programming skills, but it also offers a unique offering to support developers and aspiring programmers. It's like having a trusty sidekick that's always here to help you create, debug, optimize, and transform your code. Codazy consists of 4 main modules: debugging and providing the right blocks of code, optimizing code with AI-based improvements, converting code to different languages, and commenting on ML AI-based code. And let me tell you, Codazy is a breath of fresh air compared to other legacy debugging tools on the market. They often need to be more user-friendly, especially for beginner to intermediate developers. But with Codazy, you get a simple solution with a similar value propositions to Grammarly. After all, programming is just a new form of writing, and Codazy is poised to become the go-to platform for this growing demand. And the demand is actual. In just 6 months on the market, Codazy passed the 100,000 user mark with a global user base from countries like Brazil, Pakistan, Poland, and more. The Codazy team is expanding its product to meet demand and generate new interest from educational and corporate organizations. But wait, it gets even better. Codazy supports over 30 programming languages and is considered a leader in the code debugging market. The company has achieved many professional successes, including being named the ASU GSV Elite 200 and winning numerous industry awards and recognitions, including the Google Hackathon. And the founder of the program has big plans for Codazy's future. The goal is to scale the technology and become a significant player in the market, helping over 1 million developers and programmers optimize and debug their code. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. So if you're looking to take your software development skills to the next level, you need to check out Codazy. Trust me, you won't regret it. Hey there, have you heard about Tita? It's like the excellent new tool in town for making mobile apps. And the best part, it's a low-code builder, meaning you don't have to be a programming wizard to use it. With Tita, you can create an app faster than you ever thought possible. So when you log into Tita, you'll first see the home page. This is where you can manage all your app projects. You can create new ones, delete ones you don't need, and invite others to join your Tita team. You'll also see your account information and plan your own, so you'll always know what you're working with. Tita is perfect for companies who want to test and validate new ideas but don't want to spend much money hiring developers. With Tita, you can create an MVP, minimum viable product, in just a few days, and you can do it all from the comfort of your device. And the best part, you don't have to write a single line of code. The Tita platform is all-inclusive, providing everything you need to make a great app. It has a scalable NoSQL database, a secure authentication system, and analytics capabilities. The platform guides you through creating an app in 4 easy steps. Set up dynamic collections, design the app, share a link, and export the best player. Developers build Tita for developers. But don't worry, even if you don't have any programming experience, Tita is still accessible. The source code for your app is just a single click away, and you can even make custom queries to extract data from the database. And the best part? Tita is framework independent, so you can create apps using Flutter if that's your thing. Tita's mission is to make it possible for anyone to create mobile products, saving time and money. Just take it from Alessandro Fabiano, who's extremely satisfied with Tita. He considers it one of the best no-code, low-code builders out there and highly recommends it to low-budget entrepreneurs who are just starting with the app and web app development. So what are you waiting for? Give Tita a try and see how fun and easy it is to make an app. Welcome to Dated, the most fantastic app for simplifying RSVPs and event planning. Whether you're planning a wild and crazy bachelor party, a formal prom, a beautiful wedding, or just a simple hangout with friends, Dated makes it all a breeze. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, event planning has never been so effortless. Do you hate remembering passwords and creating accounts just to participate in an event? Well, Dated has got you covered. With this app, you don't need to remember a password or create an account to participate in events. Simply share the invitation link with your guests and they can respond directly to the invitation. You can invite existing Dated users, make any guest an organizer, and customize the cover to add a personal touch. Not only does Dated help you keep track of responses and communicate with guests, but it also helps you find the event's location and get there easily. You'll never miss a beat with push notifications and the ability for guests to invite their friends to the event. The Dated team is passionate about bringing people together and making event planning a breeze. They believe that event planning should be enjoyable and stress-free and work tirelessly to provide users with the best tools and features possible. They're always listening to their users and improving the app to make every event successful. Dated has won the hearts of many users who praise its ease of use, beautiful design, and benefits. It's a fantastic alternative to Facebook events, which can be stressful and overwhelming. Ryan Price says that Dated is precisely what she needs to connect with her friends. It's like a blast from the past, reminiscing of the good old days of Facebook events. The best part? It doesn't require authentication or contact information and works seamlessly across platforms. The Dated team is focused on creating a quality product, not just hacking growth to attract users. Diana is a massive fan of Dated, saying that it's simply incredible. Inviting people to events is easy, even if they don't have the app. She'd used it for countless parties and meetings and will never return to other platforms. With Dated, event planning has always been more complex and fun. So why wait? Start planning your next event with Dated today.